pretty well, and actually the broader market names are doing much better than what the headline indices are suggesting. Let's look at the advanced decline now. So it was 39% for the BSE 500. I think it would have improved quite drastically, or it would have improved from that level. At least what was gaining has now started to gain more. Okay, it's still on 33%. So what was going down also has recovered, but then again, you get a sense that some of the names are not doing that well as well. So not that great as far as advanced decline is concerned. Sachidanand Udetkar, technical analyst at Motilal Oswal Securities, is now joining us. Sachit, let's start with some names and what's happening over there. Any view on Delta Corp? It's not exactly a FNO counter. It's not a very well traded counter. But on the cash side, do you have any view on Delta Corporation?
Well, we really don't cover this particular counter, but the way the momentum has been, the stock has seen a good significant up move so far. Going forward, I think 152 would be a critical level, and once in case if that particular level is breached, we may see that the ongoing momentum getting stalled. So far so good. The volumes are also decent enough, but 152 would be a critical level from here on for the stock.
Right. As far as Castrol is concerned, do you cover that name?
Yes, we do cover Castrol. In fact, we have already seen a fresh impulse getting developed on the daily scale here. We have seen a good recovery from the lows around 360, and since then the stock has been trending well. We expect this particular move to stretch right up to 500, 520, and a stop loss can be placed around 420, and long positions can be initiated even at this point of time.
Right. So you would be a buyer despite the up move today? Or after the up move, you are actually wanting to buy as it's broken out?
No, we have already initiated a long call in yesterday's session, and we expect this particular run up to continue. What we have seen so far is that the weekly trend has shifted significantly. The shift is very much evident. We saw a good follow-up buying in today's session, and if you look at the levels, then 420 would be a critical level from here on, and long positions can be added even at this point of time.
Right. Any view on Jubilant FoodWorks? That's had a big crack today. 980 was earlier one level where it always tend to see some sort of buying coming in.
Right. If you look at the broader trend, the stock has been in a severe downtrend, and it has not really managed to cope up post that. Even right now, 1040 was a decent support for the stock, and that particular level has been breached by a gap. So overall, the development is not good. In fact, on every rally, one should try to exit this particular counter. We may see further erosion in this particular counter. The trend is still not stable, and we expect this particular downtrend to continue forward.
Right. Any view on Biocon, closer to the 1,000 rupee mark now?
Well, if you look at the overall pharma space, this is one particular area where we are excited about. We have seen good stable moves occurring in last couple of months. In fact, we expect this particular space to outperform, and Biocon within the pack has been the strongest performer so far. So we expect this particular positive trend to continue. One should hold on to their long positions despite any corrections if we see in the market. This is a pocket wherein one should be on a buy on decline mode, and on every decline or on every opportunity, one should add on to the long positions.
Any view on Yes Bank? After days, it has seen a positive bias of 2.5%.
Well, the fall has been severe from the levels around 1450. We saw a one-way fall, and for the last 2 days it has been stabilizing here. What we expect is just a minor pullback within this particular fall. So we expect some kind of a positive up move to continue for next couple of days. We don't have a reversal kind of a situation here, but this particular bounce back can stretch up to say 1220, 1240 levels.
Yes Bank Yes Bank actually has not done well after the QIP, but with today's block deal coming in, we had Motherson doing well. Do you think the markets just overreacted to their news and that's why it fell, so it could recover also very fast?
See, as far as the trend is concerned, the broader trend has been positive for the stock. But if you look at the deal and the price reaction that happened on the weekly scale, we have a clear bearish engulfing pattern which occurred a couple of weeks back. So this particular pattern, keeps the optimism away from this particular stock. If you look at the recovery, we are just talking about a bounce back. We are not talking about a recovery back to 1500 right now. The overall development looks like a smaller bounce back and not a firm reversal in place. So expect this particular counter to head back to levels of around 1220, 1240, and that is one particular level where we could like to assess the momentum for the further extension of the bounce back.
Sachit, thank you so much for taking out time for us. Hope to see you again soon. Taking a break, coming back in 2 minutes. Markets 34, 35 points down, not much. Select mid caps are doing well. 10 minutes to go for closing.